I first got involved with Nacro a few years ago when I went along to a family session for children with special educational needs and disabilities. The session was firelighting and how to safely build a fire, and my girls absolutely loved it, and it was great to see the facilitators engaging with the children, supporting them to learn new skills and be interested in being in the outdoors and survival. From then on, my involvement just grew and grew and grew, and everything that Nacro did, I wanted to be involved in. Being outdoors, learning new skills, meeting new people, supporting the community, these are all things that were ticking a lot of boxes for me. My background is in education, mainstream and non-mainstream, working with young offenders, and it was amazing to see how Nacro even support young people who have been excluded from mainstream education. I love everything about Nacro. I love the fact that there's new skills to be gained. I've had first aid training with Nacro. I've done a survival skills bushcraft course. We have pedal parties that we facilitate as well for families and children wanting to learn how to cycle and to use the outdoor space. To sum it up, Nacro is an amazing organisation, not just to join in with their programs and their events, but also a great organisation to volunteer for.